Unlock the power of proven trading methodologies right within TradingView and elevate your market game. Discovering effective trading strategies on TradingView starts with knowing where to look, and will guide you through the most powerful methods. Our journey begins with the vast ocean of public scripts. Head over to the Scripts tab on the left-hand side of your TradingView window. Navigate to the Public Library. This is a treasure trove of indicators and strategies created by the TradingView community here. You can filter by technicals, fundamentals, or even specific asset classes. Use the search bar to enter keywords like momentum, trend following, or oscillator to find relevant strategies. Don't just pick the first one you see. Look at the popularity, the number of likes, and importantly, the user reviews. Many scripts come with detailed descriptions and even example charts, giving you a good initial understanding. Once you find a promising strategy, click on it to see the details. You'll often find explanations of how it works and setup instructions. If it looks good, simply click the Add to Chart button to apply it directly to your current TradingView. You can then backtest its performance on historical data. Not a fan of digging through public scripts? You can also learn from the best by following successful traders. Many experienced users share their custom strategies and insights on TradingView. Explore the Social tab, browse through trending traders, and observe their published trading ideas. Pay attention to those who consistently share well-explained strategies and demonstrate profitable results. Often, you can find links to their custom scripts within their posts. Finally, TradingView offers some excellent built-in strategy templates that can be a great starting point. Especially for beginners, these pre-built strategies are designed to incorporate common technical analysis principles. To access these, when you open a new chart, look for the Strategies tab. You'll find a variety of options, from simple moving average crossovers to more complex indicators. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to adjust parameters to suit your trading style. By combining these methods, circumflex euros, exploring public libraries, learning from experienced traders, and utilizing built-in templates, circumflex euros, you'll be well on your way to discovering and implementing effective trading strategies on TradingView to enhance your trading approach.